Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to add an announcement bar in Shopify using Sidekick. This helps to show offers and important messages to the customers. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First click on Sidekick, then click on enter. So it is processing. Now here we can see it will give the suggestions so that first we go to the online store, then click on edit theme. So here we can see the announcement bar. Click on it. So here already there is two announcements. So we can add, click on add block, click on announcement. Announcement. So here we can see, here also we have Sidekick, generate text, then click on click on enter. So it is added. So we have two announcement bars. So can copy it and make it another, and we can make it bold, italic, etc. Click on enter. Then add another block. Click on announcement. You can paste it. Click on bold, italic. We can set a link also. So here we can set the size, font, weight, etc. I set to 14x. Then we can also set the weight. I set to lighter, or we can set to medium. So that's it. See the changes. Here we can see the announcement bar has been updated. Then see the changes. So this is how you can add an announcement bar in Shopify using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.